WeekMate has definitely brought industry-specific lead nurturing and tracking CRM for your business. But without KrispCall integration, they are still vulnerable to slowing down the process. That's why WeekMate integration in KrispCall directly brings telephony automation to your CRM desk. You'll track leads faster with contact syncs, manage client interactions without hassle by auto-logging call and SMS activities, personalize conversations by making calls and SMS within WeekMate CRM, and retain clients with direct access to recordings and voicemails without switching platforms. Here's how you can set it up, step by step. Simply sign up and log in to your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, then to Integrations, and click on Marketplace. Search for WeekMate, click on it, and add it to KrispCall. Now, to get API credentials, head over to your WeekMate account. Here in the dashboard, click on Settings, then go to API Console. Either click Show API Key or regenerate a new one. Copy the key, paste it back on KrispCall, then submit. With these steps, your integration is successful. Once connected, easily customize its workflow settings as you need. Enable and disable data sync preferences, and configure specific log activities to be synced to WeekMate. Also, in the connected numbers, add multiple numbers for calls and SMS to be used for this integration platform. Now, let's test it. Start by creating contacts in KrispCall, then head over to contacts in your WeekMate CRM. All of the contacts are in perfect sync. Also, if you create or update any contacts here, they immediately sync back to KrispCall. With contacts ready, prepare to call your clients without leaving your CRM. But first, add KrispCall Dialer extension to your browser. Then click on the KrispCall icon beside your contact's phone number and select the Call option. The dialer opens instantly. All you need to do is pick a number you're planning to make a call from and dial. During calls, add notes directly from the dialer. And after the call ends, the call log with its recording and the notes you've created are auto-logged in your contact's personalized notes within the WeekMate CRM. Even responding to SMS logs or starting a new text conversation becomes instant inside WeekMate. Just as calls, beside the KrispCall icon, pick the SMS option. As the dialer opens, type your message and send it immediately. Fast, easy, and the SMS logs are already synced in your contact's notes. Even the missed calls will not bother your customer relationships. Activated voicemail in KrispCall automatically syncs to call logs as links, and you can listen to it without being elsewhere, right inside your WeekMate. And that's how WeekMate and KrispCall work together to keep your CRM, calls, messages, and customer history connected in one place. Instead of jumping between tools, your team can follow up faster, stay updated on every interaction, and manage conversations with more clarity from the same workspace. Visit KrispCall.com to connect WeekMate today.